This is a place where innovation and progress are constantly happening. Long time for more advancement. Long-term enthusiasm for innovative. Studying hard and stick to the first aim. To provide effective, safe, green cutting tools for the world. To promote the rapid and healthy development of China's modern manufacturer. After 2 years research, we have improved it by such as chip breaker, grade, production process, and so on. The new grade which HARDSTONE Whirlwind releases, effectively promoting the high temperature plastic deformation resistance of the substrate. To receive better surface working quality, the shorter milling inserts not only has a more perfect surface, but also achieves smoother cutting and higher seismic performance. The strong pass of the enemy is like a wall of iron, yet with firm strides, we are conquering its summit. Zhuzhou Huarui has achieved self-transcendence again and again and made great advancing since it has established 12 years. Sticking to innovative R&D is confident for the future. Sticking to inputs to talent, equipment is confident for the brand. Let the world hear our voice. It is a dream of domestic cutting tools, also the ideal of Huarui.